in 1945. There's your carb cover. There's the number down on the engine. This is clutch side. This bike has not been started for a while. Here's the fuel shut off on this side. There we go. So we got fuel. I know I've got fuel this side of the tank. Nice, beautiful ride. Ignition. Not factory correct in colors and some of the appointments. Gorgeous. Nice tires. Indian label tires. Indian tread. There's your fuel shut off on this side. This tank is dry, so I'm not going to use it. Distributor. Cycling electric generator. Good power. So we'll see what happens when we fire this. I haven't touched it in a month, so we got lights. The switch works. I'm going to hand the camera over to my partner, and we'll see what happens here. It's a left-hand shifter, so it's a right-hand throttle on this. Choke all the way down, full throttle. 1, 2, 3 good prime kicks. Choke all the way up, drop it down 1. This is timing, all the way forward, take it back a half. Here's my throttle, all the way out. Bringing it in a quarter. Ignition on.